clean the computer. We wait to see if there was a KP elevation. Alright. But all I'm saying is, it seems to coincide with certain trigger noises I'm hearing from outside as I'm meditating inside. So if I don't see a KP event later on tonight, then because I'm still taking what's it called? Collecting data here, collecting results. So if I don't see a KP elevation and I clean the computer just probably 2 minutes before I started this investigation, then I'm gonna have to say that this is an anomalous event, a conspiracy of some kind. Yeah. I'll wait a few minutes to see if it happens again. First of all, I hear a trigger noise outside. I don't know what it was. Various noises. One of them must have triggered me. Then I start to feel a synchronous thought that's coming from another, that's synchronizing with another part from outside my mind. And then the clock stops. I start to feel as if my mind's being monitored, and then the clock stops. Yeah. So I don't know. I'm still on the fence with this one. I do not know if it's entirely down to KP elevation or fluctuations in the parameters of the magnetic field around Earth, or something conspiratory that involves a paranormal component. I do not know. Yeah, I'm still on the fence about this, but I cannot be paranoid because I've recorded the evidence. The evidence is here. The evidence I'm making reference to is here. The reasons why I believe this evidence is here, those are subject to conjecture, hypothesis. Yeah. Now, all the hypotheses you're gonna develop do not have to be rational. As we know, science nowadays is asking us to accept irrational thought when considering how the universe works. The concept of a qubit in quantum computing, does not involve any rational thought whatsoever. Any rational thought. That's a very irrational way of looking at things. Something is both elevated and non-elevated, and it's also elevated and it's also not elevated, and it's neither at the same time. Yeah. And we have to accept that as being true. How is that rational? It's not intuitive. It's counterintuitive. Yeah, but yet we have to accept that. But you cannot use your rational logic and reasoning to understand that. So you have to accept the irrational as being standard. Okay. I'll keep it running for another 2 odd minutes. Yeah, to see if this happens again. Okay. I'm just putting it out there that I've eliminated. I think I'll wait to see what happens in 3 hours time when I check the KP index. Yeah, to see if it was elevated during this time. Oh, look, here's another one. I just had a noise as well, just 5 seconds before this. Yeah. And did you see that it stopped, but it only went 1 second forward? I'll rewind that after I'm finished. But it should have gone at least 5 seconds forward, but so we've lost time. We've even lost time. Yeah, there's something very weird going on here, you know. And it's not entirely down to bugs on my computer because I clean it now every time before an experiment starts. And the only thing left to eliminate as a possible cause is the elevated KP index. I keep saying indexed, but it's index. Okay, so I get that's not even flowing right, man. What the hell? I guess I'll wait. In 3 hours' time, I will check it, and then I would review this, and then see what I make of it.